Children, to our science class. Today we are going to see 10th chapter, reaching the age of adolescence. Growth of a person starts right from the first day after the birth. But till the child doesn't come to the age of 10 or 11, you can say, from there a sudden change takes place in the body. A drastic change takes place in the growth of a human body, and that changes we consider to be age of adolescence. What all changes do you find in your body? That's what we are going to study about. What care you should take during that time. All this we are going to study in this chapter. While crossing the age of 10 or 11, a drastic change that takes place in the body parts. Why did I call this change a drastic change? Because the changes that takes place in the body part is very noticeable. You can clearly notice that the certain parts of the body, in certain parts of the body, changes could be seen. These changes in the body part tells you that you are no longer a child. The childhood changes into adulthood, and the name which is given to this change is called adolescence. It's a strange period of time where you are neither a child nor an adult. This is the time where your reproductive organ develops. Adolescence starts at the age of 11 and it lasts up to the age of 18 or 19. Since this period contains teens or covers teens, that is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, we call it teenagers. The kids of this or youngsters of age from between 13 to 19, they are considered as teenagers. And when we talk about adolescence, in girls it appears 2 to 3 years earlier than in boys. Not only that, the period of adolescence varies from person to person. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence, and these changes mark the onset of puberty. Puberty means the time or the period in a human body where they become capable of reproduction, and these changes which are found in human body during adolescence tells you the starting of puberty period in a boy or a girl. And this period, that is puberty period, ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity. Puberty period तब ख़त्म हो जाता है जब एक पर्सन की जो रिप्रोडक्टिव मैच्योरिटी है ख़त्म हो जाती है, तब उसका puberty भी ख़त्म हो जाता है. Now we are going to talk about changes at puberty. The first change which you can find during the puberty time, that is increase in height. Then changes in body shape. Then voice changes. Then you can find the development of sex organs. Then reaching mental and intellectual and emotional maturity. These type of changes you find not only physically, even mentally changes takes place during this puberty period. On the onset of puberty period, many changes takes place in your body, physically as well as mentally. Here is a table where you can see the percentage of height in boys and girls at different age in years. 8 years 72% of the growth or 77% of growth in girls can be seen. Girls grow faster in comparison to the boys. At the age of 9, 75% of the boys' growth take place, whereas in girls 81%. Like that it goes, and you can see at the age of 13 or 14 the girls complete their complete their percentage of height growth, and by the age of 17 100% of their height growth could be seen, whereas in the boys by the age of 18 years complete growth height wise of the boys and girls takes place, and after 18 years the height doesn't increase. That's an exceptional case that science tells till the age of 25 or 35 the height increases, but no, you can see that the height which has to be increased in a boy or a girl by the age of 18 it stops. Height wise they don't grow, only width wise, that is they become fat or thin, that increment could be seen. Weight increases but not the height. Now changes in body shape. But before we move on to the body shape, I would like to tell you, from the table you could have seen that initially girls grow faster than boys, but by about 18 years of age both reach their maximum height, and always it is found that the boys are taller in comparison to the girls at same age. The rate of growth in height varies in different individuals. Some may grow suddenly at puberty and then slow down, while others may grow gradually. Growth in height is not same in all, but it is different in different individuals. Now let's see change in body shape. Have you noticed that boys in your class have broader shoulders and wider chest than boys in junior classes? This is because they have entered the age of puberty, when shoulders generally broaden as a result of growth, and in girls the region below the waist becomes wider. Below the waist, कमर के नीचे उनके growth region is more in comparison to the boys. In boys the muscles of the body grow more prominently than in the girls. Girls के normally arms muscles इतने prominent नहीं होते boys के तरह. Thus, changes occurring in adolescent boys and girls are different. During the adolescent period, boys and girls structures, body structure are different from each other. Now when we talk about boys, you can see certain changes. As long as you are a child, your voice, girls or boys' voice remains the same almost. But when adolescents come, that time the changes in boys' voice is quite different from the girls. At puberty, the voice box or the larynx begins to grow. Boys develop larger voice boxes, and the growing voice box in boys can be seen as a protruding part of the throat. उनके गले में, यहाँ पे गले में आप देख सकते हो एक pointed portion, that is the increasing size of the voice box, which could not be seen in girls. I'll show you the picture and that will make your doubts clear. This type of structure comes out, and this is called Adam's apple, and this could be seen in boys only. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from outside because of its small size. Generally, girls have a high-pitched voice, means वो जब चिल्लाते हैं तो उनकी आवाज़ बहुत कानों को लगती है, इट्स हाई पिच्ड. whereas the boys have deep voice, and in adolescent boys sometimes the muscles of the growing voice box go out of control and the voice become harsh, and this state may remain for a few days or weeks, after which the voice becomes normal.